How's about some liquid gold? No, that's not it. My liquid gold? How's about some liquid gold? Well, I completely failed in doing that impression of an Irishman because it's actually St. Paddy's Day weekend over here. And we're ready to do our step 2 of our program. Now, before I show you the lawn progress, I must say I'm pretty satisfied and pretty happy with just our one application. Now, of course, temperatures, longer days, watering, all that helps. But here is our progress. Now, of course, you can still see the troubled area right here and over there, but everything else looks pretty green. Again, this happened because my sprinkler system over the winter, I didn't realize, messed up and caused this issue. Some dead grass and some live grass all mixed in. So today is a step 2 video, going step to step to improve our lawn's appearance. And this could be beneficial to some of you guys out there too. So we will be putting down some fertilizer. Again, step 2. If you have not done step 1, I suggest you click this video up here and check it out. All right, so the first product that we're going to talk about today is a 17017 from Lawn Supply over at the Ryan North store. Now, I do apologize to you guys if you guys are listening to equipment, power equipment running around me. I'm sorry, I'm in South Florida. I can't stop everybody from mowing. Our grasses are growing like crazy now. The days are longer, the temperatures are warmer, things want to grow. All right, so once you get this package, I gotta say, you know, first you get it in this box, and then the second thing is you get it in this container. It looks like a brick of cocaine just showed up to my house. I'm kidding, guys. It's just like, it's fun and games. All right, the individuals know who I'm talking to, and no, I did not get sent this product for free. I purchased it. Yeah, so it's gonna look like a brick of coke, but it's it's actually fertilizer. Okay. Yeah, so 2 instructions caught my eye here. The first instruction being, do not mix this with humic product because it's going to clog your tank and your spray mix. And then the second instruction is mix this and dissolve it in lukewarm water or warm water. I have warm water right here in my 5-gallon bucket that we're going to be mixing our products in before we put it into our backpack sprayer. I'll show you guys now once the camera switches. For a application rate, it's asking for 1 pound per 1,000 square feet, 1 pound per 1 gallon. I personally am at the mindset that I don't need that much. So what I actually am going to be doing is cutting this application in half. I'm going to be mixing 1 pound for 2 gallons. And I'm going to fill up my backpack sprayer, okay, to 4 gallons. So I'm only going to utilize 2 pounds worth. And I got a scale here and where I'm going to put it in so I could measure it. As I measured this out, I got exactly about 2.3 pounds worth of this product. And I'll just go ahead and spray it like that. We're still under what we want to, so 2.3 pounds. All right, it's getting pretty hot outside now, so the next product that I am actually going to use is a highly concentrated kelp product that I'm going to be mixing with this. No, this does not contain humic. This does not contain fulvic. This is just kelp, nothing else. I am a firm believer in kelp products. I have personally tested in my own spare time a little experiment that I'm thinking about putting in camera and reproducing it again to show. To me, in my own personal opinion, kelp is very beneficial with its own vitamins and minerals for the plant. I'm not talking about this is going to give you a green up or growth or anything like that, but in terms of vitamins and minerals, I'm a firm believer in it. You can feel free to give your opinion down below in the comments. Now, this is a highly concentrated kelp product, as I mentioned. this is only a quarter of an ounce per 1,000 square feet, or a quarter of an ounce per gallon. So all we need for a 4-gallon backpack sprayer is 1 ounce. Yeah, a little bit. 1 ounce. That is it. I'm drizzling a little bit here, giggity. But yeah, that's all you need. 1 ounce. That's it. Recirculate it in so I could give it some more agitation, and then we're ready for spray. All right, so step 2 is now about to be in the books. My liquid gold. I'm still working on it. All right, let's go spray. All right, so that concludes step 2. So 21 days later, we're gonna go into step 3, and I'll also give you my final thoughts on what I thought about 17017 grow ore. We're gonna water this in a few minutes. I'm going to do the same thing in the backyard. And in 21 days, we'll move on to step 3. There will be a video coming out in between that's not to do with any of these steps. It's just a comeback video to somebody certain on YouTube to show you guys how to do something a lot better and a lot cheaper than what this person is putting out. So hope you guys tag along. Make sure you subscribe. Everything that I mentioned in this video is down in the description. Anyways, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.